What's up, my fitness family? Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to take that shredded chicken that we made, Woo! Hurt my elbow. Take that shredded chicken that we made and we're going to turn it into chicken soup. So this is one of my go-to clutch recipes. So hopefully you guys enjoy this as much as our family has. It's a staple in our household. So if you need to see how to make boiled chicken and then shred the boiled chicken, just check out a couple episodes before this so that way you're all informed on how to do that as far as seasonings and what you're going to put in it. But I'm going to take a plate of the shredded chicken now. So I'm going to take a plate of the shredded chicken and I'm going to literally just put it in here. It's already done. Sweet. Alright, next things that I'm going to put in are carrots, celery, onion, and I'm also going to put in some mixed frozen vegetables. Alright, so these are just some staples, simple, and that way you can take the recipe itself and then also if you wanted to have it at lunchtime, you could have it over top of some brown rice or quinoa or something like that. And then if you're having for dinner, you can just do it carbless and then just have it with a salad. So, alright, so I just want to show you how fast this is. It's super fast. I personally leave all this lettuce on from the celery. Just adds flavor to the soup itself. Normally I would have the onion cut and put in there already, but I wanted to show you just to do it. So, just going to go step by step here. Chicken's in there with the boiling chicken broth with garlic, and now I'm just adding the celery. But it shouldn't take that long. So these are, like I said, this is such easy stuff. So these are just recipes that you can have. So if you haven't watched any of my episodes before, my name is Brent Kasmer. This is BKPT. So definitely subscribe, mash that notification bell, give me some love, give me some likes, and hopefully you guys find all this information great. So, just like I share with you guys, this is all the stuff that I teach my clients. So this is good, easy stuff, something that the whole family, like my kids that are, turning 6 years old and 9, Bergen's birthday's tomorrow.
Happy birthday!
So, they enjoy this as well. They don't like the broth, so all I do is strain the broth so that way it's not soupy for them. So that is literally how fast it is to cut up the celery. I got my dog here waiting for some scraps, but he's bummed because the chicken's already in the pot. Boom! Alright. So, we got the celery cut up. So now I'm going to throw some carrots in. A couple tips on this. I just put the carrots like this. Also, oh man, this is huge. So if you guys don't like to cut up vegetables, that's okay, because guess what? You can buy all this stuff pre-cut. Or with carrots, you can just buy the mini carrots. That way you don't have to worry about cutting them up. You can buy celery pre-cut. You can buy all this stuff pre-cut, so you don't even cut it. So those are also just quick tips. All this stuff can be as fast and as easy as you want. If you have questions, guess what? Message me, because I guarantee I can make it faster for you. So, you gotta train that body, teach that body, love that body, and give it some good, healthy nutrition. Obviously, I'm not a big soup person in the summertime. So that was 4 whole carrots. You know, everything's to taste. So if you want more carrots and you love carrots, like my daughter loves carrots, so sometimes she'll just pick out the carrots themselves. So that's kind of like one of those things that you just put more in there. Okay, now the onion. This son of a gun better not have me in tears with you guys on there watching me. So all I'm gonna do literally is take that onion, I cut it in half once, I cut it in half twice, that's it. Put it in there just like that. Okay? Peeling that outer edge off. Ooh, I can smell it. It's trying to make me cry. I'm not gonna do it. Okay, cut in half. And you see I dropped it right in there, okay? So I'm gonna stir this up once, just to see how it looks. Microwave or above the stove. Alright, so these are the bag of frozen mixed vegetables. No, I don't thaw them. No, I don't throw them in the microwave. No, I don't cook them ahead of time. I literally just throw them in, frozen, just like that. Just like that. Boom! 2. So like I said, this is all just to show you how easy this stuff is. Boom, there's chicken soup. So do you remember all the ingredients? It was just the shredded chicken first within the chicken broth, which was already pre-done, which I showed in one of the previous videos on how to make boiled chicken. So you would just use chicken broth and then add the celery, carrots, onions, and frozen mixed vegetables. Do you have to? No. But all of those are things that I throw in there, okay? So if you want more things in there, more the merrier. If you want less, just don't add it in there. And then seasoning to taste. So just like, you know, we have different taste buds in my family, and you guys have different taste buds, so, you know, salt to taste, pepper to taste. If you want to make sure it's good for everyone, then just cook it like that and then let them add it into their bowls when, you know, to their desire. So that way you don't have to worry about, you know, making it too spicy or too, you know, salty for somebody else's taste buds. So anyways, there is how to take your shredded chicken and turn it into chicken soup. Alright, so there's an awesome video on just one staple recipe. This would last, I mean, you know, several meals throughout the week, so it's just a good thing to grab out of the fridge. You know, you can Tupperware it up and it tastes better because the flavors get better. How long do you keep it in the fridge for? About 5 to 7 days max. But anyways, Brent Casmer, BKPT, signing out. There is your shredded chicken soup. Alright, love you guys. Thumbs up, like it, subscribe, smash the notification bell. See you in the next episode.